Broke arm, hard to cook. So I'm trying a new macaroni and cheese recipe made in the Instant Pot. I can hardly wait. Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm going to make macaroni and cheese in the Instant Pot. It's hard to do my regular macaroni and cheese because of my broke arm, but I'm not giving up. My oldest son grated up some cheese for me, and I'm going to get it ready for the Instant Pot, and it should be a lot easier. So if you like recipes and content like this, please hit that subscribe button down below. Give me a thumbs up. Ring that bell so you'll be notified when all my videos are uploaded. Comment, tell me what you think. So without further ado, let's get started. I found this recipe online, and it's from the website The Salty Marshmallow. And I will list the site in my description box down below. And then you can click on it to get to the recipe. Alright, I'm starting off with 4 cups of dried pasta. And that's usually, and I don't have the elbow macaroni, I've got the penne. And usually that's a pound of the elbow macaroni. And the Salty Marshmallow said that equals 4 cups. And I have another bag, but it ended up being 4 cups at the penne. So I think we'll be fine with just 12 ounces. So I've got my pasta, and I need 4 cups of chicken broth, and I'm using the better than bouillon mixed with the water. Just want to pour that in. I need two tablespoons of butter. I need it called for a teaspoon of hot pepper sauce. I don't have a hot pepper sauce, so I'm just going to skip that one. But I'm going to add in a teaspoon of garlic powder, which it calls for, if I can get to it. Half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of pepper. Give it a good mix. Now everything's added. This is added to the Instant Pot. We are going to cut it on. Make sure it's set to sealing, and we're going to put it on high pressure for 5 minutes and let it cook. So we'll be back. Alright, my Instant Pot went off, and we want to do a quick release. So we're just going to let that pressure out, and I'll be back when it's done. It is almost done. That pan's about to pop. And I have got 2 cups of cheddar cheese, 1 cup of mozzarella, and a half a cup of Parmesan. And my son Dylan, he grated all of these for me. And I've also got a half a cup of whole milk. Alright, I didn't hear the pan drop. That chicken broth smells good in there. Now I'm going to add about half of this milk, because there is some broth in there. We don't want it to be too thin. And we're just going to do a big handful of cheese and stir it in a little at a time. Don't want to dump it all in at one time. We want to give it a chance to melt. Looks good. Smells good. And I did leave my cheese, because it only cooked for 5 minutes. I left it on the counter, as well as the milk, so it wouldn't be cold. So this will melt easier. And now I think I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the milk, because mac and cheese tends to tighten up. See if you can get a good look at that. Don't that look good? Let me get a fork. I'm going to try this. Oh, that's good. It's got a real good flavor. That chicken broth really sets it off. Well, I'll show you a plate when we fix our plates. We're just waiting on my husband to get home from work. And I'll see you then. Well, here it is. It was a hit with the family. The chicken broth really made a difference in the macaroni and cheese. It gave it such a good flavor. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. And until next time, bye y'all.
Bye y'all.